We're pretty excited. So finally we've got an opportunity to protect some of the kids who we've not been able to protect this whole time, besides using masks and social distancing. And this is a huge opportunity for their families.
Well, we wanted to get Mary vaccinated from the moment she was born. We know that she might have some side effects from the vaccine, but we know that COVID's a really dangerous disease and we want her protected against it.
As far as should I do it or should I not, and the biggest thing we hear is we don't know the long-term consequences of the vaccine, which I have to give to the parent. We don't. You know, these vaccines are new. But what I counter with, and what got my own family to decide to vaccinate our kids, is that we don't know the long-term effects of COVID. There's multiple instances in medicine where an illness that looks pretty benign initially can lead to something very serious later. You know, Lyme disease with a rash that looks like a target, who cares? But neurologic devastating disease years later is a big deal.
We've been afraid to go into grocery stores, to go to church, to go to family celebrations. I've even been afraid to go to work because a lot of people don't wear masks, and so I know there's a risk of bringing something home. So my husband and I have pretty much had to continue living like we did before we were vaccinated because she hasn't been able to be vaccinated. Not to mention the opportunities she's missed out on because we haven't been able to take her places and expose her to people in the way that we want to. So we're just really relieved that now we're going to be able to start doing some of those things.